Yesterday, I walked into my bedroom and I found a mountain of clothes everywhere, the masterpiece of my 2 years daughter. I just froze. Where do I even start with a mess like that? That's exactly how I felt the first time I tried to learn AI. Too many tools, too many terms, total overload. But just like with the laundry disaster, I discovered a way to tackle AI one simple step at a time. Jim Quick shared that we receive more information in a single day than someone in 1400 received in their entire lifetime. It's called information deluge. Yeah, that was me. Every time there is a new information about AI, there is a new tools about AI. I've enrolled in many courses, I've watched many tutorials about AI, but at the end of the day, I ended up with 15 tabs open in my browser, but no real improvement. Me chasing a new tool is like cat chasing a Christmas ornament. But now, with this method that I'm gonna share with you, I found a way to overcome that. Even with a little time, I've managed to make a big progress with AI. And on this video, I'm gonna share with you how I did that in 6 steps. But before digging into it, let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm Marcy. I'm a mom 24/7 and I'm a BI developer. So let's get started into the video. The first step is learn the foundation of AI. What is that? AI is not new. AI have been around since 1950s. But the rise of generative AI in late 2022, especially by OpenAI, changed everything, making AI accessible for everyone. If you look at Google Trends, the search for the term learn AI has increased in the last 3 years. Everyone wants to learn AI, but most don't know where to begin. From the book AI Engineering by Replit, there are 2 specialties in AI. The first specialty is to create AI. The researchers, they invent the new models like GPT, BERT, DALL-E. Think of them like scientists of AI. They work on deep massive data sets and publish papers. And the second specialty is built with AI. The engineers, they use existing models to solve real problems. And think of them as the builders of AI products. They use tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and focus on apps, automation, and business tools. And for me, I choose the second specialties, which is built with AI, because I found more opportunities on this path and it fit more as continuous path on my career journey. And don't just take my word for it. Big companies like Google, Meta, hire more employers of AI than creators of AI. This is because there are many opportunities to implement AI in many products and services. And for the foundation, I took the course on Coursera, course by Dr. Andrew called AI for Everyone, Generative AI for Everyone. It is a really great course, by the way, and I will share with you my takeaway for this course in another video. And for the step 2, the specialization, I took the course on Coursera in partnership with Crimba called AI Engineering Specialization. It involved everything around building with AI. Whenever you use open source model or paid models, it involves also everything around long chain, creating the chatbot, AI agent, all of those stuff on this course, and it is really great course. The step 3 is list all of my problems. On this step, I listed all my daily challenges I face. Whether it's as a mom, as a developer, as managing my household, I listed all of my problems. And at the end of the day, I have 40 problems on my list. And then I matched them with an AI concept I learned. So for each problem, I will build a project including AI functionality that I've learned from the course. And according to the book, Make It Stick, We retain 70% more when we practice actively rather than passively consuming information. The step 4 is the plan. Planning really matter because I want to just watch tutorial every day and fall into tutorial hell. I have to create my own project, and I have to plan that to be able to achieve that. So for the planning, I created this template, and this is an AI project challenge template. For each week, I will cross every day when I finished my task in the journey so that I can retrace everything that I did on my week of the challenge. The step 5 is time management. Let's be honest, I don't have time. Yeah, I just use the time I have. I have 24 hours a day, like everyone. 9 to 5 job, 5 to 9 with kids, and I have just maximum 2 hours in the morning to learn or to build project. But I have a rule. 1 step a day is better than nothing, and because slow progress is still progress. And for the step 6 is the challenge. My philosophy is always learning by doing. That's why I'm focusing more of doing the project and less on the theory. Theories and foundation still important, but the most important is also create project or applying the things that I've learned. For instance, I learned the topic of text-to-speech in the course, and the first problem for my challenge, I was struggling to track the first meal for my baby because now she's 6 months old, and I'm starting to give her solid, and for that I want to track everything, and I want to add the food she tried so that later I can see all of the progress and everything in the same space. And also I've included AI functionality on the app to help me more. I will share with you how I did that step by step in my next video. And if you want to download my PDF tracker templates, I'll link it in the description on this video. So that's all the 6 steps to learn AI from scratch that I use. I will end up with this. Don't measure your progress by how fast others go. Measure it by how consistent you're becoming. Start where you are, build one thing a week. You can comment on this video if you too have made it on how you learn AI. And if you want more video on this topic, you can click below. And thank you for watching to the end of this video. See ya!